guys, welcome back to another vlog of mine. So this August wasn't anything crazy, just little things that I really loved: picnics, train rides, new hair, books, etc. These kind of things just make up the whole story. Anyways, I thought why not keep like a diary and bring you along. So let's start. This semester wouldn't be complete without my departmental picnic, a perfect start to this story. Like that sunset, really nice. Hi everyone, welcome to another vlog of mine. Anyways, today I'm going to be carrying you along my departmental picnic. I just finished writing an exam and this is 3:34. So grab your popcorn, grab a drink, sit down and enjoy this vlog. Come on. 3, 2, After that, I packed my bags and hopped on a train back to Lagos. There's just something about train rides, they slow you down in the best way. Back in Lagos, I did my hair and of course that turned into an outing with my friends for boba tea. Days like this make the city feel lighter. Hi, good morning. This is 8:21 a.m. and today is the 23rd of August. I'm actually going out with my friends. Today we're going to two locations: a ice cream slash matcha slash boba tea place and a cafe. And I'm going to be leaving by like 10, so let's get ready. Yeah, let's get ready. Then go back home. I'm gonna hype you. Not every day is loud. Some days it's just me, my tea, YouTube, and my book. I finally finished half of Yellow Sun and I have thoughts. I finally finished this book yesterday and I have quite a number of things to say. This is my third book of Chimamanda Adichie book, and this is literally one of my lowest rated, probably like a 7 over 10. Oh, don't now hear me out. The book was talking about like the Nigerian Civil War, was written in the 1960 Nigerian versus Biafra. It was viewed the perspective of the characters of Ugu, Olana, and Richard. It's a back written, and I want to read it for you guys. Ugu, a boy from a poor village, works as a houseboy for a university professor. Olana, a young woman, has abandoned her life of privilege in Lagos to live with a charismatic new lover. The professor and Richard, a shy English writer, in his trust to Olana, a magnetic twin sister, as the horrific Biafra war engulfs them, they are thrown together and pulled apart in ways they never imagined. Ugu is the houseboy of Olana, and Olana, she came from an able, influential family, married in love with a professor from the Nigerian University Nsukka, which she moved from Lagos to Nsukka to actually be with him. Now Richard was a British journalist who came to live in Nigeria, was so interested in the Igbos, he learned the language, and he was writing about the war. Guys, at independence in 1960, Nigerian was a collection of fragments held in a fragile collapse. This is the most realest line I've ever heard. Try reading this book. Like, I cannot emphasize on this line. It literally was surreal. Like, I don't think it ended well. I don't think it had a befitting ending for a good book like this. It's the ending of the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you had an amazing time watching it, as I had an amazing time shooting and editing. Please remember, I love you, but you know who loves you more? God. Bye guys. So yeah, that was my August. Honestly simple, but it felt cool in its own way. Thank you for spending it with me. Remember, I love you, but you know